I was born in a thunderstorm. I grew up overnight. I played alone, I played on my own. I survived. Hey, I wanted everything I never had, like the love that comes with light. No hope, just lies. He taught to cry in your pillow. I survived. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm still breathing. I'm alive. I'm alive. I have made every single mistake that you could ever possibly make. I took and I took and I took what you gave, but you never noticed that I was in pain. I knew what I wanted, I went in and got it. Did all the things that you said that I wouldn't. I told you that I will never be forgotten. I know that's part of you. Oh, I'm alive.
Took it out, but I'm still breathing.
I'm alive.
Took it out, but I'm still breathing. 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 Took it out, but I'm still breathing.
Let us hear from the judges, starting with Conroy.
Well, welcome back to the competition. There's no doubt that the harmonies between you two, you have a nice blend and stuff. I didn't particularly like that song. That's me. I just, you know, it's an okay song. I just didn't like it. It didn't do anything for me. But it is what it is. Welcome back.
Alaine.
Yes, Kiishea, welcome back with your sweet harmonies and your fighting spirits. Yeah, I'm not too fond of that song either, but the sentiment of the song is fitting, considering that you're back and say, yeah, you're alive, watch me, uno. But what I needed from that performance was for it to grow and get bigger and bigger, because you can do that, you know? So at the end, when you're doing the I'm alive, the harmonies kind of got a little bit, I don't know if it's jarring is the wrong word, because you have pretty voices, but there was something that wasn't really working. So it's just to work on it and to be better and to always try to make the performance get better and bigger and just end with a bang. But welcome back, and yeah, looking forward to hearing more from you.
Anthony.
I too am not a fan of that song, that Sia song, but I like the sense of the big voices at play and the sense of being in control of what it is you do. But I agree with Alaine, you want to build, you want to get to a point where there's something explosive at end. And you guys have the ability to deliver that.
All right, thanks, judges.